Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here from the landflippingformula.com, and in this video I want to share with you a couple new strategies we are actually putting into action right now within our business to go ahead and acquire more land deals at wholesale prices, because the reality is we're having a hard time keeping up with the demand. The real estate market's hot, deals are going up, so it's harder to get the right deals to turn to our buyers. So because of that, we have to use some new strategies ourselves. So we are going to do, each one of these video series are going to roughly be 3 different videos sharing exactly what we're doing, so you could just follow our lead. But if this is the first time you've come across me, my land investing model basically consists of this. I go to sites like LandPin or LandWatch. I research areas that I want to invest in land in. I find out who the biggest wholesalers are in that land or in that area. I go ahead and build a relationship with them. And then from there, we just go ahead and acquire their deals at a deep, deep discount. And then we turn around and sell or finance them to our buyers at true wholesale financing terms. It's a win-win for everybody. But like I said, we are having a more difficult time finding deals just because the market's going up so hard. So 2 new strategies we are implementing right now to get more deals. One is getting property at tax deed auctions. So here's what we have over here. This is Florida Wholesale Land LLC on YouTube, and I'm going to put a link in the description so you can check this out as well. This is Aaron's channel. He specializes in tax deed properties and has basically step-by-step how you go ahead and register and purchase the properties at the Polk County tax deed auctions in Florida. And so these videos, most of them are really short too. You know, you got 2, 3, 5-minute videos, 6-minute videos. Looks like the longest ones are under, what we got here, 12, 15 minutes, maybe the longest video. So it's really easy to consume this content here. Just check out this channel, follow the steps that he's sharing, and then you can put that into action. But what I'm actually going to do is follow exactly what he's saying. We're going to go ahead and document everything and try to purchase some properties at the next auction here. And the beauty of this, I have his number. So if I get stumped on any situation, I could just reach out to him directly, figure out what the holdup is, and then I could go ahead and move forward. And then you can follow my lead as well, or you can watch me lose money if I mess it all up. So either way, it's going to be a fun process to follow. So my homework this week is I'm going to study his channel here, watch all these videos. And then I'm going to go ahead and go over to the polkrealtaxdeed.com site. This is where you go ahead and register to purchase property. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my accounts here, and I'll show you all that in a follow-up video as well. So you can go ahead and see what I've done, what properties I'm after. I don't know if I'll disclose which ones I'm after actually, but I'll show that I'm set up, and then we're going to go ahead and try and make some investments at the next auction. And then obviously I'll do a follow-up video in the end sharing, did I actually win anything? Did I lose? What did we learn from it? And all these good steps here. So you can go ahead and follow my lead and hopefully acquire properties at a deep, deep discount as well for your own portfolio. So like I said, if you want to learn more about tax deed investing, I'm going to throw a link to Aaron's channel in the description. And as always, stop by the landflippingformula.com. We'll have a link to that as well. And you can learn about my strategies, Aaron's strategies, and then go ahead and move forward with your land investing business model. We are also doing some major direct mail campaigns as we speak. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, because we are just going to reveal everything we're doing, and you can follow our lead to hopefully become a successful land investor as well. Comment below with any questions. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.